Hello everyone, I hope all are well. In this part, I show you how to install WordPress in your local host using LocalWP software. So let's get started. First, we want to download LocalWP software. For download, we will go localwp.com. Then we will see this interface. Then we will first click on the download button. Then it will be choose the platform. We are Windows user. If you using Mac or Mac or any Linux or any others, you can select them. But I am using with Windows. Just click Windows, then you will fill up your information, then click get it now. Then it will be download. So this software size is 481.40 MB. So let's click download. Okay, download is complete. After download, you will open the software. Then we want to install it. So after I click this one, then we will click on this only for this user or all user. So we can select it for only me, then click the install. Now it will be installed. It will take 10 to 20 seconds for installing. Okay, finally our local WP software is installed complete. Just click finish. So after finish, we will see this interface, and here is local WP software agreement. You can read it, and after that, click the this one, and I agree. Then it will be show you the interface. So you can first create a account here. So first we can create a account. Just click create account. Then I try to log in with Gmail. Then select your Gmail. After that, account will be added. Then click open local, and here now it will be opening. So turn on error reporting. If you turn on, if you get any error, they will report you. So I don't need it right now. Just click no thanks. Now I want to install WordPress here. So I will click the create a new first. Just create a new site, then click to continue. Then you can add here the title. Let me add this title test. Now click to continue. The prefer custom PHP version, you can select it from here, or you can also select it from the custom version if you need any other another version. And this is a server nginx and Apache, and here is also database marinadb mysql. You can use it, but I selected this preferred. So click the continue. Then you can add the user and password for WordPress. Just I type to admin. Password is also admin. You can add your own, and you can add your WordPress or your email address here. And if I click on the advanced option, and it will be show the some options, like if you want to multi-site, you can click to yes, and it will give you options for directory or subdirectory or subdomain. I don't need this right now, so I will click the add site. Then it will take some time, and click the allow access. After that, it will be installed, and give the server permission. It will be taking some time, up to 1 to 2 minutes maximum. So just wait. So everything will be due automatically. So you want to just wait for install WordPress in your local host. Okay. After that, our WordPress is installed and our site is run. So we can add this option one click admin. Just click here and you can select admin. Now you will see the one click admin. Just click the admin WP admin. Then it will automatically log in your WordPress dashboard. So using this method, you can easily install WordPress in your local host. I hope this video will be helpful for you. And we can also add the site live link. So we can enable live link from here. For enable live link, we can connect host. Then you can use WP engine or Flywheel. WP engine maybe provide you the free trial, so you can use it. If you want for live host on your local host, then your local server will be live, then anyone can access your website from using this link. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you so much.